So lots of unanswered questions at this point. Why the pilot didn't divert the plane to an alternate airport given that there was enough fuel in the plane, and why did the aircraft in fact touch down 1 kilometer down the length of the runway, so it had clearly overshot the point at which it ought to have come down. Vishnu Shom gets us more details on what investigators will now need to look into.
Now, let's try and see what we can actually piece together. I've been able to speak to sources within the Directorate General of Civil Aviation. I've spoken to pilots who've operated over there dozens of times. The question, the first one, why did the pilot not divert to an alternate airport? Now, this is an important question because as we've been reporting since yesterday, this was the second attempt at landing. On the first attempt, the pilot was unable to make a landing. We don't know whether it was because of visibility being an issue in the very heavy rains that he was trying to attempt landing at. And so he went around. Some reports suggest that he asked air traffic control whether he could land from the opposite end of the runway. This is when an attempt was made to land. When in fact there was a tailwind component at this stage as well. In other words, the aircraft was being pushed. And in a situation where the surface of the runway is wet, where braking distances become a real concern, was it the ideal decision to actually attempt a landing? We don't know, but that's obviously something which the pilot would have taken a call on. The second point over here is, was there enough fuel on board the aircraft to attempt an alternate landing? Now, remember, there are very strict guidelines. You must have a certain amount of fuel to enable endurance of a certain number of time beyond the airport that you're supposed to land in. So if I'm a pilot, I'm unable to land at my airport where I'm supposed to land, then I should have enough fuel to get to an alternate airport and have enough fuel to be able to circuit that airport as well before being committed to land. So to that, there is an answer, yes. Now, this is what the Civil Aviation Minister Hardeep Puri told our colleague Sneha Mehri-Koshi in a press conference earlier on today, where he quite clearly said there was enough fuel on board the aircraft. So therefore, the question still remains, why then did the pilot not attempt to divert to an alternate airport?